Hi everybody and welcome back. I'm coming to you today with some exciting news. I have been getting so many messages, questions, DMs, comments, when am I gonna have another makeup class? And I'm so excited to tell you that I have two coming up. So April 26th and April 27th, that's a Friday night and a Saturday night. Both classes will start at 7 p.m. They are the exact same class. I just took a poll asking people which they preferred date-wise, and I wanted to make sure I was able to get and include everybody with everyone's busy schedule. So like I said, it's Friday, April 26th and Saturday, April 27th at 7 p.m. And so also took another poll, and it was in high demand that they are one-on-one classes, more hands-on. So that being said, I need a smaller class size for that. So I can't have the 20 people that I've had in the past. I can't even have 10 or really 8, honestly. I prefer to have 6. So if we're gonna do a small class, whichever one prefers, it's going to be only very limited seating. There's only 6 spots per class. And so that being said, in order to reserve your seat, you have to secure it with a deposit. And so the class this time around is going to be $40 per person. And to reserve your seat, like I said, it's gonna be a $20 deposit. The remaining balance is due upon the event date. That secures your seat in there. And, and again, just so you know, like perspective, I do private makeup classes quite often, and especially after having my makeup classes, it's been something that's been highly requested. And my clients that reserve me for that, it's $50 an hour, and we at least usually use 2 hours, and it's per person. So if they bring a friend, it's the same thing. That's 50 for them as well. So it's still a huge savings and huge deal in order to come and to learn. You come with no makeup on. I will have individual seats for you, placemats and mirrors, so we can go through all your makeup. We'll check what's expired and needs to be thrown away. We'll check your shades. I will color match you, and I will show you application tips, tricks, and all the things. So I'm so excited to finally be able to bring this to you, to have some time in my schedule to allow this, because I love teaching. It is my pride and joy. So with that being said, if you are interested and you want to come and attend, please message me. I will then tell you how to send in your deposit, also location, all the other details. I'll be able to send you the remaining information. And like I've said in the past, like the reason I do these classes is because the beauty is already there. And as women, we do so much all the time for so many people, and it's good for us to have something for ourselves and to be able to know and to equip ourselves to feel and look our best. And I think that when I know how to maneuver and go through a store, when I know what shade I am, when I know what my skin type is, I know how to go through Sephora Ulta. I'm not wasting time, I'm not wasting money, and I'm not returning a ton of stuff because I know it's gonna work for me. And I want to educate you guys to know and feel confident, not only in how to apply your makeup, but how to buy your makeup. So this is a wonderful time. It is every single time my heart is so filled with joy after these classes, just because it's my passion and it's just kind of what comes through. And I want everybody to know how to feel and look their best. And knowledge is power, and power is confidence. And as women, who doesn't want that? Who doesn't need it? I do. Sign me up. Anyway, I hope you guys come. I would love to have you. Like I said, these spots will fill up quick. So please reach out and reserve yours today. Bring a friend, and we will have an amazing time. So I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.